Assalamualaikum. Hi kids. So it's me, Uncle Tauffiq and
Aunty Sakinah.
today we will make cluster almond for Hari Raya. Enjoy!
You will need 150 grams of dark chocolate or milk chocolate, 150 grams of almond strips, and we're ready to go. Spread the almond strips onto baking tray. Preheat the oven at the temperature of 160 degrees Celsius. Place the tray in the oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. If you do not have an oven, don't worry. You can also toast your almonds on a pan or in a microwave.
Next, pour the almond into a large bowl. And then add the melted chocolate. Oh, it's so delicious. But I'm fasting. Mix them evenly. Mix, mix, mix.
And done! Now, scoop out your almond cluster onto a tray or paper cups. So now we've got 12 almond clusters. Yay! Let them cool for a while or chill them in the refrigerator, and once they've stick together, they're ready to be eaten. Ta-da! So now our almond clusters are done. Let's check them out. Ooh.
Oops! I'm fasting, so it's Ian's one.
It's a very easy recipe to make. Try this at home and share the results with us, okay? Bye!